Meet the Flexisprayer, a heavy-duty pneumatic atomizing gun built for high performance, designed specifically for trade professionals. Simple to operate thanks to its flexible rubber handle. Just bend it to start atomizing and release it to reduce liquid flow or switch it off completely. Features a tilt valve, which is a 3-piece piston system, no buttons or seals required, ensuring reliable and economical operation that's completely leak-free. Zero maintenance required. For cleaning, simply remove the liquid hose, block the nozzle, and let pressurized airflow in reverse, eliminating all built-up residue through the suction tube. This tool has been used for many years in demanding electrical and mechanical maintenance work across all types of vehicles and machinery. It's designed explosion-proof and safe to operate near live electrical equipment when used correctly. Perfect for engine maintenance on cars, motorbikes, and trucks, construction and mining equipment, industrial and agricultural machinery, applying degreasers or chemical products. Made from chrome-plated brass, it's corrosion-resistant and ideal for coastal or corrosive environments. It can also apply coatings onto any surface type. Degrease engines in seconds with the convenience of not having to move heavy containers, as it can draw liquids from great distances. Features a cone-type atomizing nozzle for applying liquids across large surfaces rapidly. Also works as a powerful blowgun with a 30-centimeter lance that lets you reach difficult access areas. The Flexisprayer is built to last. Flexisprayer from Bencraft. Efficient operation and extended service life.